As you can see here, we can use Python to operate the µUniDAQ. In this script, we can choose the bridge excitation for the accelerometer. As soon as this is done, and the sensor is connected to the µUniDAQ, one can see the signal. The signal will change according to the movement of the sensor. Next, we will use the script to log the measurement data. One can now select the destination folder and the file name. Now we start the logging process. The sensor data will be stored to the file until we stop the logging. To load the log data file into Excel, we here choose Notepad++ to search and replace the data separators. This will make it easier to load the file into Excel in the next step. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. After saving the file with the changes, we are ready to open the file with Excel. The data can now be seen. The first channel holds the time information. The next channels contain the measurement data. Let's select the first measurement channel. We can now choose the line diagram to visualize the measurement. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it.